That's what your side business should be for. Your side business shouldn't be to go blow your money. Like just because you got more money in your pocket, that don't mean you should go shopping and you should go on just trips, just whatever, right? You want to make sure that you handle your business. So now once you get all that stuff paid off, you got your LLC, you start your business credit, and now you can go out and you can just start like there's no limit. There's no limit. But that's the things you got to do, right? You got to get to that point where you're using that side money because you need multiple streams, or you shouldn't just depend on that one stream of income. You should be doing something to where if you working a 9 to 5, right, and your job decide to let you go today, what you gonna do?